family. I'm at a service call right now, about to weld in a gentleman's fifth wheel hitch to his frame. So I got my stuff laid out right now, which actually I'm not using my gas unit, I'm gonna use my electrical unit. He got 220 power over here, so I got it lined up. Got my fire blanket on. We're gonna weld that clip on and this clip on here on both sides. That's what we're gonna be doing for him today. So I got him preparing both sides. Then we're gonna do that way he can go and get some money. He wanted to do something different with his hitch, so he can still be able to take it off here, but he'll have permanent mounts under the bottom of it, which won't hurt nothing, but he ain't got to worry about him going nowhere for sure. So that's what we doing, man. Getting a hog on.
You got no sockets in there?
Yes, I do. Black Feniks.